Snowblowing in -degrees outside and howling wind is hard enough without having your snowblower break down when the auger gets jammed. Yet, that's exactly what other snowblowers are designed to do. Their shear pins are designed to break when things get tough, which means you have to fumble around in the bitter cold and replace them. These snowblowers leave you out in the cold when you need them the most. But fear not, Toro Power Max smart technology solves all that. Inside the Power Max, there are no shear pins to break. Instead, we engineered it to be tougher than ordinary two-stage snowblowers, with hardened gears and a commercial-grade gearbox. We use solid steel bolts that are more than 2 times stronger than the competition. In addition, our smart technology senses when the snowblower hits hard material, such as a giant chunk of ice, and automatically stops for you. So you don't have to. You simply start it back up and continue to clear snow like it's nobody's business. It's just one more reason that when you're armed with the Toro Power Max, you're going to win winter.